Continuously talk for 3 minutes without stopping.
Do what?
Continuously talk for a minute without stopping.
Not 3 minutes.
that.
That'd be too
I
long.
can do it.
Okay.
Should someone time it?
Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Get the timer running.
Do some breathing exercises.
Suma. That's what we do in gymnastics sometimes.
Okay.
In what?
Gymnastics.
Oh.
2, 1, go.
So we were like at this pizza place, and we were blowing bubbles, and then I got this pizza. I was like, oh my gosh, and it gave me magic, and then guess what? We came here, and then we were like laying on the ground, and I did a backflip, and then I did splits, and then I ran around, and then I ate another piece of pizza, but it wasn't from the same place. It was from another place, and then it made me sleepy, and then I woke up, and I was in some zoo thing, and then these monkeys were like dancing, and then they had me run too. I was like, oh, well, that's the reason. And then we were listening to music and sitting by a lamp, and it was lighting up the room. And then we touched the ceiling, and then we were sitting on the floor again. And it's midnight almost. I don't know. So I love her socks, things, and then we what?
Gun!
And then there's a blanket.
Okay, you stop.
Okay.
I think she was actually sniffing some white stuff before she did this.
Yeah, it's called powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Of course that's what it is. Wink, wink.
Oh, wink.
I don't care.
Ah, crap.
What?
Wrong one. Okay. Nope. True. What's... Oh.
Uh-huh.
What is the question that you do not want anyone to ask you in this game?
Probably to try to lift someone.
I can think of something much worse.
Like what?
Like something much worse. I'm
Like...
not gonna say it out loud.
Just say it, I'll mute this. Mute it.
Say it out loud.
Just
It
say it.
doesn't do anything.
Then what would it do?
Yes, it does. It mutes it.
No, it doesn't.
You're covering the speakers.
There's a speaker underneath it, so...
Actually, that's the speakers. That's not where it records from.
Well, whatever.
Avery Watt. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm recording video. Now.
This is getting too long. I'm gonna stop this video real quickly, and we're gonna go back. Okay, peace.
Hold on.
Then you don't say peace.
Oh my god.
Pasta.